Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ada, and if this is your first time of seeing my video, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys for watching my video and for keeping me here. So without wasting much of your time, I'll be talking about how to make beetroot and watermelon juice at home without an extractor. If this is something you want to watch, please sit back, relax and enjoy this video with me. So in today's video, I'll be kicking out with the benefit of these two fruits. First of all, beetroot contains so many nutrients and benefits that people don't even know about. So if you're still considering if it's something you want to start eating, please, I'm begging you, start eating beetroot because it's really good for you. It lowers the blood pressure, it's good for dementia, it's good for a healthy weight loss. It is known to even prevent cancer. It is high in potassium, it is high in other minerals like iron, magnesium, sodium, zinc and every other thing you can think of. It is also good for your liver. So what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for to start eating beetroot? Beetroot is also high in iron, which is an essential component for your red blood cell. Are you still considering it? Are you still thinking about it? Guys, come on, start eating your beetroot now. You can even eat it just like that, or you drink it as a juice, or you add it to your smoothie. Kickstart it now. So let's talk about watermelon. Watermelon is full of water, like it's called. It's very hydrating. It's good for your skin, for your hair. It's good for inflammation. It's good to treat other diseases. It contains very high level of vitamin C and A, potassium and other nutrients as well. So kickstart it now, right now. Let's get into this video without talking too much. Let me put this out here. We had to blend the beetroot with watermelon so that it can get out the water, because beetroot doesn't even have any water in it except you're using a juicer. So because we're not using a juicer, we're using a blender. That's why we're adding watermelon. Let's go. Guys, the leftover from this juice will be used as swallow. If you've not seen my video on cabbage fufu, you need to go check it out then, so you can understand very well what I'm talking about. I'll store this in the fridge and use it for anytime I want to eat swallow. You see, nothing is wasted. Was very helpful. Please don't forget to tell a friend, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. I wanna be there, be there, be there.